Chapter 13, Part 6, Translation. Sache-le bien. This is the imperative of savoir, so know it well. Ne dites rien. This is the second person plural imperative of dire from vous dites. It's an irregular vous form of the present tense, so it's irregular in the imperative. Ne dites rien. Do not say anything. Ne rien is nothing. Say nothing or do not say anything. Laissons-les tranquilles. So this is the first person plural command, so it'll be translated as let's, and it comes from the verb laisser, leave them. So let's leave them, and then tranquil, we would say let's leave them alone. Let's not bother them. Ne lui parle pas. We've got negative imperative around parle. Do not speak to him or to her in the normal place because it's a negative imperative. Écrivez-nous. So this would be write to us, or we could just say write us. We don't have to put in the to in English. Dis-le-moi. Here it's the imperative of dire. Say it to me. Say it to me. And then qu'il parle. Here we have a third person singular imperative. May he speak. So that's this exercise on the imperatives.